What if you could enjoy the look of a real fireplace without smoke, mess, or maintenance? Meet the Dimplex Revillusion built-in electric firebox. Designed to transform your space with ultra-realistic flames and a modern weathered concrete finish that instantly elevates any room. What makes it different? The Revillusion technology creates deeper, more realistic flames. So it actually looks like a real fireplace, even up close. And because it's electric, there's no venting, no gas line, and no cleanup. Just plug it in, turn it on, and enjoy cozy vibes all year round. You can enjoy the flames with or without heat, making it perfect for every season, from cold winter nights to relaxing summer evenings. This firebox is ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, condos, and renovation projects, giving you that luxury fireplace look without the traditional cost or maintenance. And yes, it ships fast and free. Ready to bring warmth, style, and comfort into your home? Visit Saksby.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.